So the first method is by us opening the command window. You just type command there. Mine is already up there. Just open. Okay. So what we are going to do is we are going to type Python space -- version. So here we are. I have Python installed on my machine and it's version 3.11.2. Right. So the command is Python space -- version, and it gives you the Python version that you have. That is if Python is installed on your machine. If you don't have Python installed on your machine, it will give you an error message. Okay. Method number 2, we still use the command window. At the command prompt, we type the word Python. Just that, and we press enter. There it is again, Python 3.11.2. And this command has opened what is known as, or what we refer to as, the Python terminal. And we can use this to enter Python commands, and the Python interpreter will evaluate and give us the solutions. E.g., 2 + 2, then press enter. There, 4. Okay. So that's method number 2. Okay, so, and to exit the Python terminal, just type the word exit and open and closed parenthesis. There we go. All right. And the final method, we are going to use idle, or IDLE, which is a shell program that comes with Python. So we just type idle there. Okay, there it is again. Python 3.11.2. So there you have it, folks. That's how we confirm the version of Python that's running on our machine. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, please click the like button and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.